Welcome to our recorded class, Rufa. This is the February 18, 2025 class. So for today, we will start with this counting for our recorded class video. So I want you to look here because we have a lot of numbers to count. So how about let's start counting from 1 to 75. I will check the number for you and you will also follow me. So we have the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. We also have 55, 56. Then after 56, it is 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, and 75. So we counted our numbers from 1 to 75. How about let's erase this one and let's move on to the next part of our video here. The next part is to remind you that this is an overview lesson video for the CVC words work this week. So not all of the work from this video are found in your book. And so for our pages, for the work for February 17 up to 18, the pages that you will be answering are on pages 55 to 65 of your fourth quarter CVC book. So you need to also answer your booklet and also your hat. So how about let's move on to our lesson. So let me move to the next part. And here we have our words. So these are the words that you can try to read and remember with me. So we have our tub. You can find the tub in the bathroom. You can take a bath in a tub. This is also a club. A club is found in the deck of cards. It's an adult card game. You're not supposed to play it yet. Then we have a shrub. A shrub is a kind of plant. So you see this shrub in parks and in gardens. We have the sub. A sub is also a submarine. So you can ride a sub and go under the water to see the sea creatures. We have the hub. The hub is inside your tire. The silver part of your tire, that's the hub. Another kind of subword is the sub sandwich. A sub sandwich, a it is a long sandwich and sometimes you have to share it with other people. We have the club. We use the club to hit the golf ball in a golf game. This is called a grub. A grub is a kind of insect. It crawls. It's like a caterpillar, but it's fatter. So that's our grub. Then we also have a nub. So when you sharpen the pencil, keep on using it. If it's too small, that's called a nub. I tell you, when you wash your hands, I let you use the soap and you rub it. So you want the germs to go away, you rub the soap on your hand and you rinse it off. Next, there's also another hub word again, but this time it's called the internet hub. The hub here, this kind of hub, helps you watch videos from the internet, helps you make a video call to see your relatives, hear them. Then you can also use the hub to also read blogs and do a vlog, or what you also do. I think you like to know about Beanie or do TikTok. You use this hub to connect to the internet. Then we have our cub, a baby bear, a baby tiger, and a baby lion. They are all cubs. And the last one, the boy here is cleaning. He will use the brush to scrub. So those are some of our words that has U and B in the end, sound. So how about we erase this one? And let's see what we have here on our screen here. So how about you help me? We are going to color the right word to match the picture on the left side. So we have the baby lion. It is called a cub. Cub. So where is cub? If I sound spell, it has k, a, b, cub. So where do you think is cub? Cub is in the first circle here. Cub. That's how you spell cub. C-U-B. Cub. Cub. Next one. What about nub? Nub. N-U-B. Nub. This one here is our word nub. N-U-B. Nub. So let's color our nub. Okay, next one. The boy has the brush to scrub. Where is scrub? It's a long word. It has the sk sound together, S and C, and then you add the R to make the skr sound. It's scrub. This one is our word scrub. S-C-R-U-N-B, scrub. So we have the cub, we have the nub, and we have the scrub. Let's erase this one. Let's jump to another one. Okay, so we have stub. When you say stub, it's your ticket. Ticket to the movies or ticket to the bus. Stub. Stub, where is our stub? It has S and T. Stub. S-T-U-B, this is the stub. Okay, next, I want to take a bath in the tub. T-U-B, tub. This one is our tub. Okay, another word. We have our club. A club is what we use to hit the golf ball. Where is club? C-L-U-B. Is it this one? Yes, that's our word club. So again, this is stub, tub, and the club. Okay, let's erase this one. What about another set? Okay, this time we will do our sentence. We get to read and find our words. So how about let's read together. I see the hub of my tire. So remember, the hub is the inside. This one, the silver part. That's your hub there to connect the tires. Okay, next, let's read together. The gardener cuts the shrub. A shrub is a plant. It's like a bush. And the gardener knows how to shape it, just like on our picture here. It's shaped like a circle. And this one is our word, shrub. Okay, next, let's read together. Please rub your hands with soap. So we have rub, R-U-B, rub. Let's circle for rub. This one is our rub. So again, we have hub, shrub, and the rub. These are words that has the UB sound, U and B. So let's erase this one. Let's jump to another set and let us read. This is a grub. Remember, a grub is a kind of bug. It's kind of an insect. It's like a caterpillar, but it's fatter. So we have our grub. The birds like to eat a grub. Okay, next, let's read this one. I want to ride a sub. So where is our sub? This one is our sub. SUB, sub. You can ride a sub and you explore the ocean. Okay, next one. My internet hub is broken. So where is our hub word? It's this one. So again, there are two hub words. One is for your tire, the silver part, and this one is your internet hub. Okay, next, let's erase. And we will jump to our booklet. So these are the words that you can have for your booklet. And we will try to do them also. So when we write for tub, T, U, and the letter B, that's how you spell for the tub. So you have T, a line down, line across. U, and the letter B, you have your tub. T-U-B, tub. And we get to color for our tub here. So on your work also, you have to color the inside of the line. Try not to get out. So for the rest of the pictures on our screen, I won't be coloring it anymore. But for your work there, you need to color it to make it look nice, to practice your coloring. So what else is our upwards? Let us see. Maybe we should fix this one. And let us go do the cub. So remember, a baby bear, a baby lion, a baby tiger, they are all cubs. C, U, and the letter B, this is the word cub. So again, we have C, U, and the letter B, cub. Do not mind the size of our box as long as you write for your cub. So C-U-B, that is cub. And what about we do sub? So we have the letters S, U, and the letter B, we have the word sub. So again, S, U, and the letter B, this is our word sub. And you have to also color for your pictures. Now, I am going to move to the next part of our screen work, and that is to do our up word. So we get to use the spinner, spell out for our up. We get to put our letters, trace for your up words, and we get to paste the right picture. So I'll start with the letter S to make the word S, U, and B. It is for the sub. So where's the picture of sub? Let me point at it and put it in the box here. This is sub. I want to write the sub. Another one. So let's mark. We have T, U, and letter B. This is the word tub. And we will put our tub here. I can take a bath in a tub. And then another one, the letter C. You have C, U, and the letter B, that's our cub. A cub, it's the baby bear, a baby lion, or a baby tiger. So here are all your words. We have the sub, tub, and cub. Let's erase the writings. And now we will move on to our pictures here. We need to say the picture and we get to sound out for the letter and write it in the box. So we have our cub. What are the letters again in cub? So let's sound out. K, A, B. To make the word cub, let's write it. C, U, and letter B. That's your cub. Okay, another one. We have our tub. We have t, a, b. That's our word. Tub, T, U, and letter B, tub. Okay, another one. Let's sound spell. We have s, a, b, sub. So let's write S, U, and letter B, sub. So we have cub, tub, and the sub. So those are the words that we have that has ub sound, U and B. Now we're done with this one. Let's move on to another part, and that is to make our sentence for the cub. So when we make our sentence, it has to have capital letter first. Our word, we have a cub is a baby bear. So we have those in our sentences. A cub is a baby bear. And I get to write it on our screen. A cub is a baby bear. So that is how we write for our sentence. You get to end this with a period. Okay, let's erase this one. And how about, since we're done doing our sentence about the bear, let's get to read our sentence. So let's read. We have Sam was in his hut. He heard a noise. He looked outside and saw a cub. The cub was lost. Oh, so in our story, there was Sam. He stayed in his hut. He heard a noise and then he tried to look outside and saw a cub. Remember, a cub is a baby bear, a baby tiger, or a lion. And the cub was lost. So let's read for our sentence here. Sam was at the park, in a hut, or at the shops. Where did he stay? It should be in a hut. So let's shade for that box. Oh, sorry, for that circle. Okay, another one. Sam heard, what did he hear? He heard a squeak, a roar, or a noise. It's going to be a noise. Okay, another one. What did Sam do? So he heard a noise. What do you think will he do next? He hid, he looked outside, or he called his mom? What should be our answer? I think the mom is not part of the story. But do you think he looked outside? Yes, he looked outside. Okay, last question. What did Sam see? What did he see outside? Was it a dog, a snake, or a cub? It was a cub, a baby bear, a cub. Now, if you have questions with the work for today, you can ask by chatting in our messenger. And Also, for our work on the screen, we are already done, but I am confident, Rufa, that you can answer the work for today. Remember our pages of work. It should be from page 55 to 65. The cutouts are already provided in the last part of our of words, and it is easy to follow. So let me go back. We are at the end already of our online recorded class. If you finish the work and if you help me answer on this screen, good job for you. And I will need you to choose a sticker friend that you like. But I cannot see you, so I will just choose a sticker friend for you and I will choose everything for you here on our sticker friend slide, Rufa. So all of these will be your sticker friend and I will see you again in our next class in our face-to-face class. Bye-bye!